Kylie Jenner's estimated net worth is $1 billion, which ranks her among some of the youngest billionaires. With a massive net worth like that, it's no big deal that she buys her daughter expensive gifts. But those gifts aren't just any regular gifts parents give to their children. They are very unique, and Kylie obviously spends a fortune on them. So, what kind of insane gifts has she been splurging on for her first child? And what does Kylie's daughter Stormi think of the unique gifts she is receiving from her mother? Let's find out all the details. It's no secret that Kylie and Travis spent thousands of dollars to surprise their only daughter on her birthday. And now that they have another baby, they might keep the budget a little tighter. A week earlier, TMZ reported that Kylie and Stormi's dad, Travis, who split in the fall of 2019 after more than 2 years of dating, were planning to jointly throw her a huge birthday party on par with her epic carnival-themed first birthday celebration in 2019. Sources told TMZ the bash would take place at a rented studio space and had a budget of at least $100,000. We are going to discuss the most amazing gifts next, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to tell you about the most insane gifts Kylie Jenner has given her daughter Stormi. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. On the night before Stormi's second birthday, Kylie shared some pictures on her Instagram story that revealed several amazing gifts she bought for her daughter. The gifts were covered in Minnie Mouse and Trolls wrapping paper. Among the many gifts were a pink Dynacraft Trolls 6-volt Super Coupe ride-on car topped with a huge pink bow, and a Step 2 brand unicorn up and down roller coaster with a rainbow track. "I can't wait for my baby to wake up in the AM," Kylie wrote atop the snapshot. Stormi is not old enough for jewelry, yet Kylie buys her expensive pieces, which include the 22-carat diamond ring she bought her for Christmas. The ring is worth more than $1 million. Some jealous people shared their opinions on this gift, saying that she is just 2 years old and can't handle that type of gift, while others were saying that Kylie Jenner has nowhere else to show off her wealth, so now she is wasting her cash. Are there any more unique gifts Kylie Jenner bought for her daughter? Well, it's a yes, and there is nothing for you to worry about because all of them are next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. As a billionaire, Kylie gets what she wants, and now that she is a mom, her daughter, Stormi, gets what she wants. She has been pampering her toddler with all the riches she can think of, and this can be seen from her first lavish birthday party because Kylie spared no expense for her daughter. In one of her previous Instagram posts, Kylie was seen wearing a Fendi dress while pushing Stormi in a Fendi carrier. Stormi was enjoying a dream because these strollers cost almost $13,000. Whoa! That's huge for a stroller. Stormi owns a mini Louis Vuitton design Lamborghini. She received this gift from her mother when she was just 10 months old. She also owns other remote control cars, but this one is the most expensive. Kylie Jenner also got her daughter one of the most expensive playsets in the world. The playset includes swings, toys, a tic-tac-toe game, and a wooden bridge. The swing set cost Kylie about $20,000. At the age of 4, Stormi has her own makeup collections, handbag collections, and matching outfits. Kylie Jenner's daughter might be the luckiest girl on earth with all the expensive gifts she is receiving from her mother. What more could she ever ask for? And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Kylie Jenner's most amazing gifts for her daughter? Which gift did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.